Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a smoked old-fashioned, super easy and tasty cocktail. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need bourbon or rye. I'm using Buffalo Trace bourbon, sugar, and bitters. We're gonna start with a sugar cube. Now if you don't have sugar cubes, you can use a teaspoon of regular sugar. Next, 3 dashes of bitters. We're gonna muddle it. Two ounces of bourbon. Ice. Now we're gonna stir. Now we're gonna add some smoke. I'm gonna use oak. And then for these, little wood chips go a long way. So a spoon. Cover. We're ready to garnish. And that's how you make this smoked old-fashioned. Alright, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!